Okay, so when it comes to using stories, basically, we are going to come into your Instagram app on your phone. So I'm in the Instagram app, and then here at the top, it's my story. All I have to do is push to make a new story. And again, I can either just start doing, I can do a picture right here that I can take myself, and they have all of the editing tools you need to if you want to add text to it or what have you. I can also use down here in the very corner, you'll see my recent photos. So if I wanted to take a photo from I had just taken a picture of a computer or something happening in my office, I could go directly there and upload a previous picture and then say whatever I wanted to about it. Or I could also go to the live right here. So this is how you're going to do your Instagram live. So if I did this right now and pushed this little button here, that's going to start an Instagram live. The Instagram lives are fantastic because it's a really great way to interact with people. I like to do Instagram lives with other people because then it kind of takes the pressure off of me. So a lot of times I'll like to say, like Sarah Boyce does a really good job of this as well, and she is with One Salon, and that's who I began kind of doing Instagram lives with, and then it made me feel a lot more comfortable. But basically, you can push the live button, be prepared ahead of time, talk to someone else and say, hey, would you like to come on and talk to me about my art today? Or would you like to talk to me about how COVID is affecting your business or whatever it might be? You kind of plan ahead and say, let's hop on Instagram live at 12:30 today. Well, at 12:30, you're going to go ahead and hop on Instagram live. Once you go live by pushing that little button, excuse me, then they are going to be able to hop on and go live with you. They'll just follow you. You'll see that they're following you, and then they'll say, you'll get a notification that says Sarah Boyce is requesting to join you on your Instagram live. I'm so sorry. Let me get a drink. Okay. It also tells you like how many of your followers are active right now. In the beginning, I wouldn't worry about who's out there ready to follow you. I would just do it. Just get yourself out there, get comfortable with it. So the other thing that you can do once you're done with your story, or you're done with your live, either way, the story or the live, you can save them. The lives you can only save if they're short, like 15 minutes. But once they're saved, then from your phone, so I can go into my story and I can save it directly to one of my highlights. So you're basically going to, I'm back on my profile and I should show you how to get there. So when you're on, here is my Instagram right now and it's looking at everyone else's. I've got this home button here which tells me that I'm on main Instagram. If I go to this little person over here in the lower right hand corner, that now takes me to my actual profile. So that's where I'm going to go to upload. If I have a tile to upload, I'm just going to push this button there, the plus sign, and it will upload a tile. If I want to, I can also from the same screen go to new right here, and it will show me all of my stories. So this is actually going to allow me to make a new highlight if I want to. So if I have something that I wanted to, like for right now, I only have a Nerdville and I only have a Skittle highlight area. So what I would do is I would make a story right now or do a short Instagram live. And once it's done and it's actually posted out there, then I would say new. I would find the one that I had done and then I would just say, so I pretend like I'm going to choose that one. I would say next. And then it will take me to where I can name my highlight. So this is where I could say, work that I've done or whatever. You're gonna have to keep it pretty short because there's not a lot of room to show these titles, but you can see that I can name my highlight whatever I want it to be, and I can change that photo and have that main photo that's showing me whatever I want it to be as well. So for instance, you'll see on this one that I have just my Nerdville and I have just one that says coworkers and it's Skittle. So it's gonna be just pictures of Skittle working with me. So that is the way that you use the stories to create these other areas. Like you'll see here on Sarah's, she's got a highlight for Kellen, one for her, one for Michelle, and then one for booking. So if we click on Kellen's, this is one of her stylists, we'll be able to see different stories that are Kellen focused. So some of her work, her in the process of working, sometimes they're video clips, sometimes they're just pictures, but it's basically just a great way to showcase work and have it very structurally organized so that people can go in and look exactly what they want to look for. It keeps it very organized, and it also is a great way to keep your tiles looking the way that you want them to look without affecting them, but still be able to share content. So I hope that that helps. I'm going to go ahead and stop the recording again so that we can talk about hashtagging and following other people.